peanut butter and jelly, French fries and ketchup, Cops and donuts, Lennon and McCartney. All of these go really well together, but not as well as chocolate and mint. One and a half cups whipping cream. 1.5 cups milk. 2/3 of a cup sugar. 3 teaspoons mint extract. Stir until sugar is dissolved. Cover and put in fridge overnight. 2/3 of a cup frozen chocolate chips. Pour ice cream base into ice cream machine. Start ice cream machine according to its directions. 5 minutes before your ice cream is ready, add frozen chocolate chips. Pour ice cream into freezer-safe container. Scoop and enjoy.